Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Top Crypto Bull here once again to update you guys on the greatest and latest news and rumors of the crypto world. Let's get right into it, guys. Well, guys, looks like top analysts are seeing the biggest bull cycle yet to come, with 45k now being targeted as a price floor. Bitcoin price is due some final corrections before going on a bull run lasting at least 2 years, says crypto entrepreneur Michaël van de Poppe. Bitcoin is due some final corrections before spending the next 2 years on a bull run, a bold new analyst predicts. In his latest ex-con, trader, analyst, and entrepreneur Michaël de Poppe eyed 53k as the next Bitcoin price dip target. Few Bitcoin market observers are willing to go on the record to call the end of a 6 months of Bitcoin price consolidation. For van de Poppe, however, the end of one of the most frustrating episodes in Bitcoin history should be imminent. He says, liquidity was taken and Bitcoin is back up to 54k. He wrote about a short time frame move on Bitcoin USD on September 7. Expect the max of 55.5k on this run, and then we could be revisiting 53k before clearly breaking back upwards into a final correction and then a 2-year bull run. Whoa, that's a bold statement, guys. We've never had a 5-year cycle. If we get a 2-year bull run after this final correction that he's predicting, that will make it into a 5-year cycle. We've never had a Bitcoin go into a 5-year cycle. It's always done a 4-year cycle, but I'm all for it. I hope we go into a 2-year bull run after this final correction dip coming. The day prior, he continues saying, Bitcoin has failed to convince traders that lower lows will not surface, even a month after it hit a 6-month bottom below 50k. Despite favorable macroeconomic conditions around the corner, crypto market doom and gloom persists. Van de Poppe acknowledges the risk, arguing that equities are running up on weakness. The equity markets are fragile in terms of liquidity, and people are very eager to put their money away towards these assets due to fear of inflation. That's going to reverse soon. However, there's a silver lining. A major crash is likely off the table. Instead, Bitcoin USD is copying behavior from 2019 when compared to the S&P 500, with the implication that it's just the start, not the end, of a long-term bull market. We can also see that there's been a significant correction taking place on the markets, which is likely coming to an end. Just like the correction in 2019 landed us around 6k, we're likely to bottom right around 45 to 50k on Bitcoin. From that perspective, with the upcoming rate cuts from the Fed and the weakening economy and the global liquidity being increased in China, it seems almost inevitable that we're actually at the edge of the biggest bull cycle ever. As Cointelegraph continues to report, September 18 will see the United States Federal Reserve meet to decide on interest rate changes, with markets long pricing in 100% odds of a rate cut. This should ultimately benefit crypto and risk assets as lower rates encourage liquidity to enter the markets. Yeah, guys. So what do you guys think? Are we gonna hit a low about 45, 50k here coming soon? Are we gonna have one more dip? That'll be our final correction, and then are we gonna go into 2-year bull run like the top analyst is predicting, guys? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I don't know, guys. I mean, I remember last cycle, people were saying we were going to go into a super cycle, that Bitcoin was going to go over 100,000 K. I heard like top YouTube channels, you know who they are, were saying that, don't sell your Bitcoin. We're going to go over 100K. It's a super cycle. It's going to last, forever almost, what they were saying. And then came November 2021 and Bitcoin dropped off the table, and went into the bear market, guys, and it topped off at 69K, guys. So I don't know. These top analysts, I mean, they don't always get it right, guys. I mean, I hope I'm totally for it. I would love for a 2-year bull run after this final correction. That means we will make like mega gains. We'll all be like millionaires. I mean, I'm totally for it, guys. But in reality, guys, I think history repeats. I think the 4-year cycle will continue. I remember hearing these stories last cycle in 2021. So I don't know about a 2-year bull run after this final dip in the days to come, guys. So I'd be wary of that, guys. Be wary of these top analysts that are predicting extended bull runs, because I do believe history repeats, and I do believe we will top off somewhere in somewhere between August to October of 2025 is when I see the Bitcoin top coming in for this cycle, guys, which is in line with the Bitcoin 4-year cycle it has always had since its inception in 2009, guys. But I mean, I am human, guys. I could be wrong. I mean, I would love to be wrong, and I would love for the bull run to continue until late 2026. I would totally love that, guys. So I mean, I'm totally for it. But I do believe history repeats. So just be careful out there, guys. Well, guys, this is a reminder. Help us out with the YouTube algorithm. Like the video, hit the like button. Also, subscribe to the channel. Help the channel grow right now. So this is Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.